The Illinois Emergency Management Agency has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties: Vermilion County, Champaign County, Ford County, and Iroquois County, effective until further notice. This is not a test. Over 137 people have been reported missing within the affected areas. These missing persons were reported to have been previously staring deep into a nearby forest and being completely unresponsive before wandering into said forest some time later and thus being reported missing. The precise location of these individuals has not yet been discovered. However, it is likely that they are in extreme danger. At this time, it is advised that all citizens refrain from going into or near any dense forests or areas with abundant trees until the situation is further investigated. If anyone around you suddenly goes missing, do not investigate and dial 911 immediately. We will continue to provide updates on this situation as it progresses. The Illinois Emergency Management Agency has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties: Vermilion County, Champaign County, Ford County, and Iroquois County, effective indefinitely. This is not a test. At this time, your life is currently in extreme danger. Please listen carefully to this emergency message, especially if you live near a dense forest or an area with abundant trees. All citizens in the affected areas are required to shelter in place immediately and to lock all doors and windows. Cover all windows in your home with curtains or blinds. If any windows in your home or shelter do not have curtains or blinds, barricade them or cover them with furniture. Do not look into any forests for any reason. Individuals have been reported to notice bright yellow lights coming from inside of forests and immediately enter a hypnotic-like state. They will cease all activities that they were previously doing and walk into the forest where they would not return. It is now believed that individuals who enter the forests are being killed by some sort of animal or entity. If you look outside and notice any type of light, it is too late for you, and you will fall into hypnosis and be killed by whatever is inside of the forest. It is not a 100% guarantee that you will see any lights. However, do not take any unnecessary risks. Martial law has been called into these affected areas and are actively working to clear out this threat. Stay inside until an all clear is given. This message will repeat every hour on the hour.